Stop building websites the hard way. Seriously, I just built this premium bilingual coffee shop website within just few minutes without writing single line of code with working logic and animations. If you are new to no code space or never heard about vibe coding, then you might be asking what exactly is Lovable. Lovable is not just a standard website builder like Wix or Squarespace. It acts like an AI powered full stack engineer. Lovable actually writes clean, professional ready code for you and even backend logic with just simple text conversion. Whether you are a complete beginner who has never written a single line of code or a senior developer looking to speed up your workflow, this tool can change the game. And today I am going to show you exactly how to master it. Here is the challenge. We are building brand new premium website for Kenil's Coffee Club. It needs to be elegant, it needs specific menu items, and hardest of all, it needs functional English to German language toggle. By the way, there is no coffee club like Kenil's Coffee Club as far as I know in the world. I just take this example to build the premium website so you can build something similar website for your own specific purpose. Normally, I would teach you how to write the prompt from the scratch, but to keep this video fast, I have already engineered a detailed optimized prompt for this. Full prompt, you can find it into description tab. If you are using Lovable for a first time in your life, what I would suggest is go to description tab, copy and paste it and see how it works. In that way, you will have a first hands-on experience on Lovable. Once you see how it works, then you can build your prompt by yourself and you can experiment. Okay, let's get along with Lovable. So you can go to Lovable.dev and this beautiful page will open, and then you can click on the get started and then you can create your free account. I already account, so I will directly log in. I'll paste my invitation link into description tab. Please sign up in Lovable using that link. It will help me to earn few credits. Initial screen of Lovable looks like this. It's very pretty. So here is a chat tab where you can write your prompt and it will build website for you. So from home screen, if you go to this resources tab and if you click on the explore, where you can find different kind of websites which is built by different people, and you can directly click on that and you will directly remix it and you can change it by yourself. And if you go to learn tab, then you will find full documentation which is provided by Lovable, and here especially in the prompt engineering tab you will find specific how to write a prompt for Lovable, so you will get better results. It's nothing new, but when you are building a website, generally there is some difference, so you need to be very specific what kind of website you need. So like always, all LLMs want a specific information. So now if you go to the settings tab, you will find a basic information like workplace avatar, so you can change your avatar, you can change your workplace name. And then if you go to plans and credit, initially when you'll sign up, you will be by default free account. If you're using Lovable for the first time, what I would suggest, start with the free plan, build some basic website, and then when you'll get used to, and you can upgrade with the pro version. As you can see, Lovable has its own cloud. So for basic website, you don't need to connect with external database, which makes your life very easy. And most importantly, Lovable has lot of integrations. So it has connectors, it has MCP servers, and it has also n8n, so you can access and power your apps with your n8n workflows. And without wasting any time, let's build our first website. As I mentioned earlier, I already prepared full prompt for you, so we can directly create premium website here. So we'll not spend too much time in creating prompt. And as you can see, in initial part of prompt, I gave it persona, so it understand what it needs to build. Then I later gave the business details. Then it's UX design, then who will be the target audience for this website, and about section, and specifically I mentioned what will be in the menu, and some other few details which is generally recommended to build the website. And then I will directly click on generate, and as you can see, it's thinking it's exactly like other LLMs, but it's specifically to website builder. Hey friends, it requires a lot of efforts and I'm putting a lot of hard work to create best content for you. So hit the subscribe button, like my video and share it with your friends. That's how you can show support towards me and join my journey. If you wanted to write detailed prompt like I did, then you don't need to be prompting expert all the time. You can go to ChatGPT or Gemini and explain it in the simple word. So it will generate beautiful prompt for you, and then you can paste it into Lovable or any other website builder. Boom! Can you see that? It created really premium website for Kenil's Coffee Club within few minutes. And there is a toggle button from where we can switch the language. And I have some German knowledge and I can say it translated really well. Okay, let's change back to English and let's review further. And you can see they build also stories and connection here as well. And they generated these images by AI because I gave it in the prompt. But of course, you can change it by yourself based on your own requirement. And I recognize something here that the phone number is missing and email is missing, and also map is missing because there is no such Kenil's Coffee Club. So I didn't give the correct address. Let's add phone number. And by the way, you don't need to always write. You can talk, and you can also improve website based on your requirement. And as you can see, within 16 seconds, it's updated a phone number and the Kenil at coffee.com. Now we'll ask remove map placeholder. Literally within few seconds, it remove map placeholder. And now let's go further, and you can see you can reserve a table. You can select the date, numbers of guests, and let's improve something else. So okay, so here in the menu I saw that there is no picture, so we ask add relevant photos in menu besides all items. There you have it. Within 1 minute, pictures created. And in general, they used 19 tools. And if you can see, there is a cappuccino, americano, espresso. If you go to food, cheese fries, classic beef burger, avocado toast. It takes some time sometimes to load picture, but it works really well. And then you can change the designs based on your requirements. I'm not so artistic person, so I will not change it around because it looks already very premium. Otherwise, you can change this website by yourself. Next, you can go to code section, and there you will find the complete code written by Lovable to build this website. And then here you can go all the steps which you performed, and if you wanted to go to reverse the changes, then you can find it there. Okay, let's publish this website now. So then I will click on publish, and here we will give our domain called website name. And then you can also create your custom domain, but in this case we will stick with this Lovable.app domain. And then you can click on advanced, and in the website information you can upload your own icon, which is a picture will be there in the website, and you can add your description. But currently I'm fine with this, and then I will click on publish. There you have it. You just shipped, and we have this link. Let's try to copy that. Perfect. So we build the website within few minutes, and it's elegant, premium, and it's very professional. Now stop making excuses anymore. Build your first website without writing a single line of code.